Today, I am making Tinkerbell from Peter Pan. First, I am coloring yellow on her hair and light green as her hair tie and her dress. And also on her shoes and light blue color on her wing. Let's keep it inside of the lines. Then I'm adding her cheek color with pink, peach color on her skin, also on her body and her legs. Now it is the Play-Doh time. Yellow, red, white mix to make what is going to be. It is peach color. This is for her face and two balls for her ears. And let's put some googly eye, thin noodles with black. This is for her eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. Let's make her pretty. 1, 2. One more. 3. And the red color for her mouth. And 2 noodles of yellow and twist, twist, twist for her hair, and 1 more for her front hair and on top. Now I'm mixing yellow and blue. Mix, 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 mix. Let's add white to make light green. This is her hair tie. And now I'm using the peach color again for her arms and light green for her dress. Noodles, 1, 2, pinch, 3, 4. Tap, tap, tap. Let's blend them together. Blending, blending. And let's do the waist and the legs. And tiny oval for her shoes. I am taking red and white mixed to make pink for her cheek. And blue and white mixed to make sky blue. Long noodle, push, push, push for her wings. The other side. And the top wing, make it pointy. And the last one, and make it straight with the stick. Pinch. This is a Tinkerbell from Peter Pan. Also, the coloring book is available on Amazon store. Please check the link on the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Good job.